All right, everybody, welcome back. Get ready, because today we are diving into something pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
It's an AI-powered Chrome extension. It's called Do Browser.
Do browser.
And
I like the name.
yeah, it's pretty catchy, right?
Yeah.
You know how we're always talking about all the really cool stuff we find on AI Agent Store?
Right.
Well,
yeah, always finding gems there.
Yeah, this one really, well, it caught my eye because I thought,
Yeah.
if I had this thing back when I was writing papers in college, oh, man.
Let's hope it's more accurate than those late-night Wikipedia dives.
Oh, yeah, for sure, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully more accurate than that. But yeah, this thing is supposed to be like this super efficient way to just automate web tasks. And you just use natural language commands.
That's right. I mean, that's really the key here. It's like, it's almost like a paradigm shift in how we interact with the web.
Yeah.
Think about like back in the day, you had to like copy and paste data from websites and put it in spreadsheets.
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Painstakingly. And now you can just be like,
Yeah.
hey, do browser do this for me?
Right.
Like, go pull the pricing data
Yeah, and boom, you're done.
from all my competitors.
Exactly.
Or,
Ground-based.
analyze these articles for keywords,
Yeah.
summarize the customer reviews.
Okay, hold on, wait.
Yeah.
Back up for a second.
Okay.
Some of us aren't like total tech wizards.
Sure.
Can you just break it down for us? Like,
Yeah.
what exactly is a Chrome extension?
Yeah, good question.
And then how does AI play into this?
Okay, so Chrome extension is like a little add-on you give to your browser that gives it like superpowers.
Oh, okay.
Right? Some block adds some managed passwords. This is like,
Gotcha.
but it's powered by AI, so it's using natural language processing,
So?
similar to what powers chatbots and stuff like that, to understand your commands and actually take action on the website.
Okay, I think I'm starting to get it. So,
Yeah.
like, instead of me sitting there for, 2 hours, clicking through menus and copying and pasting stuff,
Right.
I could just tell this thing, like, find me the cheapest flights to
man.
Paris in June. And it just, like, does it.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
And the developers,
Yeah.
Sawyer and Ryan, are really focusing on that user-friendliness aspect.
Makes
They're really targeting professionals, marketers, analysts, researchers, content creators, people who really live in their browser all day
Yep.
and want to make it as intuitive as possible.
Well, that's smart because, we're all busy enough as it is.
Exactly.
The last thing we need is another, like, complicated tool to learn.
Yeah.
This sounds pretty awesome, but I do have one question.
Okay.
If we're handing all these tasks over to AI,
Yeah.
are we all going to be out of jobs soon?
That's a very common concern.
Right.
And, it's funny because I think the bigger picture is more about collaboration than replacement. Think about if you're a marketer working on a new campaign. Do Browser can handle all the boring stuff. The data analysis, the competitor research,
Oh, wow.
even draft reports, so you can focus on the creative stuff.
So basically, it's like having an assistant
A
who
super.
never sleeps.
That's a good way to put it.
That's awesome.
And never asks for a raise.
I mean, the idea of having, like, an AI assistant
Right.
doing all the boring stuff
It is appealing.
is pretty appealing.
Yeah,
I'm not going to lie, but isn't there a risk
of course.
that we become too reliant on these tools?
Of course, there's always a risk.
What if, like, the browser crashes or, like, it makes a mistake?
Well, just like we wouldn't blindly trust any other tool,
Right.
we need to use AI tools responsibly.
Of course.
We still need our critical thinking skills
Yeah.
to evaluate the output, spot errors, and make sure it's aligned with our goals.
Right.
It's a partnership.
Yeah.
The AI augments our abilities, but doesn't replace our judgment.
Okay, so it's not about AI taking over.
Exactly.
It's about finding, like, the right balance.
Right.
Between human and machine.
The human-machine collaboration.
Which leads to a really interesting question, actually.
What's that?
If AI is doing all the boring, routine tasks,
Yeah.
what human skills become even more valuable? You know what I mean?
That's a great question. I think we'll see more emphasis on uniquely human skills.
Yeah.
Creativity, complex problem solving,
Mm,
emotional intelligence, things that AI can't quite replicate yet.
yeah, that's fascinating.
It's going to be an evolving landscape for sure.
Yeah.
It'll be really interesting to see
It'll be interesting to see where this all goes.
how these roles change in the coming years.
Definitely a lot to think about.
Yeah,
If you guys want to explore this further,
definitely.
you can check out Do Browser
Head over to AI Agent Store.
over on AIAgentStore.ai.
Yeah,
That's AIAgentStore.ai.
that's it.
We'll see you guys next time.
See you later.